Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then scroll down again, click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Finally, you get to create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner. Finally, answer this question by clicking on one of the available answers. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. When you finished, just hit Done at the bottom right corner as well. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!